Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove password from PDF file. When you have set some of the password to protect your PDF file, you can easily remove the password from that PDF file. For this, you can use any application like a board or PDF reader. I am going on with all PDF reader application. Then here you'll be able to see all the PDFs present on your mobile device. Now here you can see the PDF with password is locked. When you tap on the given PDF, it asks you to first enter the password. Now to remove this, go back to all files page. Then here you can see three dots on the side of PDF which has password. Tap on the three dots. Then here you'll be able to see remove password option. Tap on remove password. Then you need to enter the password of that PDF. After this, you need to tap on OK option and then your password will be removed. Now when you open the given PDF, you will see that it no longer will ask for your password. It will directly open your PDF. This is how we can remove password from PDF. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.